we'll have the idea of upstream and downstream. In particular, river and boat problem we'll consider, but prior to that you must know that upstream and downstream terms are common whenever there are flow. We use these terms. Heat flows, then also liquid flows, air flows. In all these cases, if you proceeds in the direction of flow, it will be known as downstream. When you proceed against the flow, it will be known as upstream. Suppose you want to find the velocity of B stands for boat here, and this you want to find with respect to ground. Then what you'll do, velocity of boat with respect to river, then velocity of river with respect to ground. I told you with respect to ground need not be mentioned, it's not the convention, it's not the tradition. We simply say what is the velocity of boat, that is velocity of boat with respect to river flow, and then velocity of river. Velocity of river flow. When downstream case is considered, the velocity of the boat and velocity of the river both will be in the same direction. These two, this is with respect to river and this. You'll add them if it is the case of downstream. And then suppose distance x is covered in downstream, time taken will be given by the velocity VBR plus VR. This was the case in downstream. When upstream case is considered, obviously both are opposite. This is the velocity of river flow and the boat has started just opposite to it. In this case, the net velocity shall be given as velocity of boat with respect to river minus velocity of river. And then time to cover distance x will be given by this one.